Okay guys, this is an experiment for a new vlog channel. Let's see how it works. It's a beautiful day here. The sun's about to set in about 3 hours and we will be revisiting that sunset. By the way, this is the Mission Beach Boardwalk. There's just no telling what you're gonna see here on Mission Beach. We are the youth of wild. Stop and believe in us. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you hold me in all this can go away. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Man, put some money in.
I don't have any.
You don't have any money. You don't have any money. Put some money in for this man. He's got talent.
I have only a $50 bill.
Are you excited that we're going to walk on the pier?
Yeah.
Check this out. Here we go. Paradise Cove. We're officially on the pier. The heck? What is that thing?
What a baby. Oh, it's a crab.
Cool. That is one ugly thing.
It's tiny.
That's so
No, that looks like a lobster though.
That's too scary.
Yeah, it is. It does look like a lobster. What's that red thing hanging at the side?
Pregnant.
No way. Are you being serious?
Those are eggs.
Are they good eating? Oh. This one's different though, huh?
Sunbug.
Wow, those are cool. Do they taste good?
Yeah.
Sometimes these surfers right here wait about 10 or 15 minutes just for an 8-second ride. We are the youth of wild. We are the youth of wild. Oh, we are the youth of wild. Oh, we are the youth of wild. Yeah. Guys, if you want to see more high impact vlogs like this one, just hit that upvote or like button, and we'll see you guys next time.